Hi there, welcome again to my channel, and we have a Earpod out here, one of which this one isn't working. This one was working, so we need to see what's the problem within. So for that, we need to open this Earpod with the help of a blade or a screwdriver. So this is how we can open this Earpod. So you see this is open now. Inside, if you see, here we have a speaker. There's a magnet right here, Bluetooth module, and the battery here. And let me focus it further. It is very evident this little cable, there's a red cable and there's a black cable from the module coming towards this battery. So this is either this cable is broken or it was not soldered in the first place. So we'll remove the battery. We'll remove the battery. It is stuck onto the module like so. And we'll scratch the plastic off. There's a small terminal out here. We'll scratch the plastic off and then resolder this wire to this terminal. So let me focus on this terminal again. If you can clearly see, this is the terminal that I have scratched the plastic off. Here on the other terminal, the wire is already soldered, but the wire is out, the black wire is out from this terminal. Now after this soldering, let's put everything back in place. So it just snaps fit. Now you can see there is a red charging light on and both the AirPods seem to be working now. That's all, folks. See you till next time. Thank you.